Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you.
Yes, good everyone. I go by name is Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, you watching this video is because you want to make money online, and you watching it again is the 50% assurance that you are going to earn money online, and following the step in this video is the second 50% of you getting the money at hand. Yes, making money from home is what everybody wants now, and affiliate marketing is one of the best way and platform to make money from home, even as a beginner. Yes, because in this video I'm going to be showing you how I am making thousands of dollars weekly and hundreds of dollars daily on affiliate marketing. Yes, in this case, ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, as you all know that affiliate marketing is just selling products for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. And the higher the number of products you sell, the higher your commission, and the higher the price of the product, the higher your commission also. But there are many things to know about affiliate marketing, as it is a digital platform where you market, in which means you have the product, you have the buyer, you have the seller. Also, you have marketing or advertisement, or a means by which you make people know about the product you have at hand for sale. So that is where I'm coming, because in affiliate marketing there are two major ways by which you can promote your affiliate product. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Yes, the paid traffic system is a method whereby you pay digital platform like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube to create adverts for your product, and the free traffic system is that's where I come in, because as an affiliate marketer, I'm also a software developer, and I've developed several softwares over the time. In affiliate marketing, I have several software which I have updated and upgraded, which are now working very more efficient than before. So my software work by gathering thousands of organic traffic daily online, targeted traffic, which means my software work by selecting and generating targeted traffic for the particular product you are going to be marketing or putting on sale. Yes, because with my software you are going to be having access to organic traffic daily, which are going to be buying your products. And also in my video course, I'll be teaching you how you can select products and get targeted traffic for each product you are selecting. So for more details on how to go about my software, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward71@gmail.com, or text on Telegram to somebody you can see on the screen to get started and start earning from home. Yes, because even as a beginner you can earn this beautiful amount from home, as my video course will guide you step by step. Even as a beginner that knows nothing about ClickBank affiliate marketing or about my software, but following the steps will lead you to this great result you can see on the screen. Yes, so another beautiful thing about my software is that it works with any affiliate marketing platform. Yes, not only ClickBank alone, but JVZoo, Warrior Plus, even Shopify Store, any affiliate marketing platform where you have to market products online or to promote any service online. Yes, my software work efficiently on that. So remember, you can just contact on my Gmail at skyward71@gmail.com, or text on Telegram to someone I can see on the screen to get started and start earning from home, even as a beginner. Yes, once again, my name is Skyward, and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.